Good morning, children. As we have finished with the syllabus of EVS, today we are going to take up the lesson Freedom Fighters of India. You have to do only the project work from this lesson, and this lesson is only for reading and understanding. We are not going to do any exercises from this lesson. Clear, children? As you all know, India was under the British rule, and on 15th August 1947, India got freedom. India became a free and independent country on that day. Then there are many leaders, political leaders and other leaders who fought for India. They fought with British and they got freedom for India. So we are going to learn about some important freedom fighters in this lesson. Number one is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His father was Karamchand Gandhi and was the Diwan of a state. After completing his studies at school, he went to England in 1888 for higher studies. He studied law there and he became a lawyer. Then he came back to India. After some time, he had to go to South Africa for the hearing of a case. For some case, he had to go to South Africa. He was shocked to see that miserable condition of the black people there. Black people in Africa were usually black, are usually black. So he saw that the British used to do a lot of injustice to and cruelty to these black people. He was really hurt by this. Then he came back to India in 1915 and he observed the same poverty and suffering of people in the country by the British. He was very hurt after seeing this. So he took part in the freedom struggle and he became a very important freedom fighter. He started the non-cooperation movement in 1919, civil disobedience movement in 1930 and quit India movement in 1940. He was sent to jail many times and he became a very important freedom fighter and people used to call him Bapu also. And we also call him father of the nation. Now we come to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. See his picture. He is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was born on 14 November 1889. That's why we celebrate his birthday as Children's Day, because he used to love children very much. He used to like the children. He was born in Allahabad and he came then he went to England for higher studies, and when he came back to India, he joined the Indian National Congress, INC. It was the political party of India. He supported Mahatma Gandhi in the struggle for India's freedom. He suffered many hardships. He was sent to jail many times. Then he also became a very important person of the freedom struggle and we call him Chacha Nehru. Clear, children? Then he became the first Prime Minister of independent India on 15th August 1947. When India got freedom, he was the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Now we come to the third person, that is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was born in 1856 in Maharashtra. He was a great patriot. He gave the slogan, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. उन्होंने ये स्लोगन दिया, स्वराज मेरा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है और मैं इसको लेकर रहूँगा. And he took part in the freedom struggle. Clear, children? Now, see, this is his picture, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. It was his. He became a very honorable and strong freedom fighter of India. He was imprisoned by the British for 6 years in jail also. Now we come to Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose is popularly known as Netaji. He was born on 23rd January 1897 in Odisha. He studied at Calcutta and Cambridge. Then he was selected for Indian Civil Services but did not join it. Then he formed his own army known as Indian National Army or INA, and his army used to fight with British. See this, Azad Hind Fauj. He found the Azad Hind Fauj and he used to fight against British. he gave the famous slogan Dilli Chalo and give me blood and I will give you the freedom. तुम मुझे खून दो और मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. Now the other person was Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was born on 28 September 1907 in West Punjab. He was in 9th class when he joined the non-cooperation movement. He began the work for a newspaper named Pratap, where he met the another famous freedom struggler Chandrasekhar Azad, and he became a freedom struggler and he took part in the freedom struggle. What happened? He was hanged on 23rd March 1931 while fighting with the British. He was hanged and he became an important freedom fighter. Clear, children? Thank you.